Here is a side salad that you need to start adding to all of your meals. And the star of the show is this delicious jerk shrimp. So I'm going to start to prepare all of my ingredients that we're going to chuck into this salad. That includes 1 cucumber, which I've chopped up, about 2 handfuls of cherry tomatoes, which I chop into 4, some red onion, which I dice up finely, and about half of a ripe avocado chopped up. I've got about 175 grams of shrimp here that I've just cleaned, and I season it with some salt, fish seasoning, garlic granules, black pepper, some paprika, some all-purpose, and the all-important jerk marinade. And you just want to mix that into your shrimp so it's all well coated. I'm then going to cook it in some oil with a bit of red onion, and all together this should take about 5 minutes. So assembling my bowl, I start off with some mixed salad, and then I chuck in those cucumbers. Next up comes the cherry tomatoes. I add a dash of salt on top and also some olive oil, and then I mix this all together, and this forms the base of our salad. On top of that, you want to add in your avocado, and then you want to chuck in that delicious jerk shrimp, and you're done. You can also eat this on its own for a light, healthy dish if you want. If you like this recipe, please remember to comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.